So with the W King T11 now firmware updated, I'm going to stick with 2.32. Here we go. It's going up against the JBL Partybox 110. To start with, the JBL Partybox 110 bass boost is off. Indoors, that's kind of what I use anyway, because if you get bass boost 2, I don't like what it does to the sound. Bass boost 1 emphasizes the low end. You may hear my daughter in the background. She's in the other room with her friend. Told her to be quiet, but I don't think it's going to happen. So we'll try to do this. W King is in EQ1. Like I said, it's firmware updated. And then right now, the Partybox 110, it has no bass boost. So here we go. 60% volume. Partybox. T11. So the Partybox is a little bit louder. $110. Go up to 80%. So they're at 80% and was at 60%. The Partybox is a little bit louder, but I think that's due to it being a brighter sound signature than the W King. Bass wise, you can tell that Partybox, if you close your eyes and listen to them, you can tell that Partybox has a bigger sound to it, that it's coming from a bigger cabinet, and it's also ported, so it's not that far off from a wall. So that gives it kind of helps reinforce the overall bass output and sound. But the T11, after it's been updated, I mean, it's not lagging that far behind as far as the overall sound goes. I mean, you are comparing something that's roughly about twice the price of the Partybox. But the caveat with that is that Partybox has an extra gear, if you will, the bass boost mode. So I'm going to run it in bass boost 1 mode now against the W King, still in its EQ1. So here we go. Partybox is in EQ, or excuse me, bass boost 1. T11 is in EQ1 still. So yeah, when you do that, when you bump it up to bass boost 1, you're definitely getting more bass out of the JBL Partybox 110. It's got that, like I said, it's got that extra gear that you don't have on that W King. But the W King, the bass after the update helped it It's really not bad at all. I mean, it's pretty good. But when you compare it to the basically the JBL, when it kicks in the nitrous, once it does that, then yeah, it's leaving it in the dust. Maybe not quite in the dust, but pretty close. Let's do one more track and get an idea. Go up to 100%. So loudness wise, you know, they're not that far apart either. JBL Partybox, this is run off the battery. It's a little louder plugged in. So take it for what you will. The W King, you're dealing with a smaller speaker that is sealed cabinet design against a larger ported box. Now the W King claims that has 6-inch drivers. They're like about 5. They're not 6-inch. It's only 6 if you count that light ring around the outside. So it's basically 5-inch drivers. So it has smaller drivers than the JBL. Smaller cabinet, like I said. They're really different speakers. One's a small. If you're going to take something on the go, the W King's obviously a far better choice because it's smaller and lighter. But the Partybox definitely is the better speaker. So let me know what you guys think between the two. I always like the Partybox speakers. I can't ever say anything bad about them. I'm a fan of pretty much all of them. They are a little pricey, but you get pretty good quality for what they offer. That's a wrap, guys. Be safe.